Have you ever seen the movie Groundhog Day? It's where Bill Murray, no relation, is a newscaster in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, and he wakes up every single day to the same situation. That's exactly how I felt in my career. I spent the better part of the last decade working 10, 12, and 14 hours a day growing other people's businesses. And as recently as 6 months ago, I was really struggling with balancing all of it, getting the kids where they need to go, the laundry, the cleaning, the pets. I mean, let's get real. Do you feel like you're stuck in the daily grind too? For me, I needed guidance. I'm a process person. I needed step by step. Here's how you do it.
In this download, I'm sharing the step-by-step process with you.
Colleges and universities prepare students for the dream of a corner office, but the reality is, it's 2019. The dream of a corner office has been replaced with a need for flexibility, especially among parents.
So here's exactly what you need to do to get started.
Click on the button below to download my step-by-step process with explanations and all the links you need to get started immediately. If you can follow directions precisely,
then you too can get out of your own personal Groundhog Day.
You'll be on your way to turning that side hustle into a full-time income and living the life you've always dreamed of.
Make sure you hover over my name in the lower right-hand corner and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my best free tips for growing an online business.